Hello guys, let's welcome back to our channel. In this tutorial, we are going to discuss about the model question paper 1 with effect from 2020-22 scheme guys. Okay, you can see, look at the subject code here, BCS602, the 6th semester BE degree examination. The subject is machine learning. See here, answer any full answer any 5 full questions choosing at least one question from each model. Okay, first you can look at the model 1 guys. Question number 1, eighth one. The given question is like this: define machine learning, explain its relationship to other fields with a diagram. This question is going to carry the 10 marks guys. Okay, and I think this is a valid question guys. Please, you can prepare well about this one. Okay, see what does actually meaning of machine learning. The answer is going to like this: machine learning is a branch of artificial intelligence that allows computer to learn from the data and make decisions or predictions without being directly programmed. Programmed means explicitly programmed. Okay, let me take an example to understand what actually meaning of machine learning guys. Okay, just you can imagine teaching a child how to recognize apple and banana. Then you can show them, the parents will going to show them some pictures of bananas and apples. After that, over a time, they will learn, they will identify them on their own, which is banana and which is apple. In same way, the machine learning will works the same way. We will give the computers the data like pictures or text or numbers, and it learns the patterns to make the decisions like recognizing the faces in the photos or predict the weather and suggesting videos on YouTube or detecting some spam emails. So this is where, or this is how the machine learning actually works. You can return one line as machine learning. Machine learning is how the computers learn from the examples and make some smart decisions without being told exactly what to do. This is the actually meaning of machine learning guys. Okay, see here, the diagram is goes like this. Imagine guys, imagine you have a 3 or 4 type of data here. That is stock prices or stock data, customer transaction data, and streaming data or email text, or you can say email messages also. Okay, so this is a different type of data, just we can imagine that. So okay, and this is a what do you call, you can call it as raw input that we can feed into the machine learning system. Think of it just giving examples to student before an example. Okay, then you can see that is machine learning techniques. Okay, you can see the machine learning techniques. Now this is where the magic will happens. The system use the smart algorithms to learn from the data. These include the regression, clustering. Regression means prediction the number like stock prices, and clustering means grouping the similar customers or products. Okay, this is me actually meaning of clusters. Then associative rule. Associative rules means finding some patterns like people who buy the bread and also butter. So this is where our actually works of association rule guys. Okay, and the last one is classification. Classification means putting the things into the categories like spam versus not spam. So this is how the classification works in machine learning guys. Okay, and after that, each technique is chosen based on what problem you are trying to solve. Okay, after that you can go to final thing, the output result. After learning from the data, the system will gives us the useful results. Okay, like predicting the stock prices, or segmenting the market for the better ads, and building the recommended systems like uh, you can say Netflix or Amazon. And you can spam detection. Spam detection means detecting some spam emails automatically. So this is the final result of the machine learning, guys. Okay, you can so basically input goes in and the machine learns and we can get the smart solution out. Okay, so this is we will learn from the machine learning diagram, guys. I hope you people are know how the machine learning will works. And then we have to write the relationship of machine learning to other fields. Other fields means definitely artificial intelligence came down. uh, Machine learning is a subset of AI that enable the systems to learn from the data and improve over a time being or sorry without being explicitly programmed. I earlierly told you guys explicitly means directly programmed, guys. Okay, just you can goes or just you can read the definitions of each and every relationship, you will automatically known or automatically you can understand. Okay, after that, statistics means machine learning heavily relies on statistical techniques to analyze and interpret the data. It uses the concepts like probability, regression, hypothesis testing to find the patterns and relationship and prediction the data. Okay, statistics will going to help in see these fields: probability, regression, hypothesis testing, and find some patterns, find the relationship and prediction the data. Okay, it will majorly plays very significant role while we can do these kind of functions, guys. Okay, after that, data mining. Both machine learning and data mining involves analyzing the large data sets to find the useful patterns. Useful pattern means before we have to train the models, what you can find out what is what actually works before you can train to the ML algorithms. After that, the ML will learn from the data. After that, they can do some discovering unknown insights. Okay, while machine learning empathizes building predictive models that generalize a new data. After processing the data, then it will going to give to us a generalized new data, guys. Okay, after that we have to write data science. Machine learning is a key component of the data science. Data scientists use the machine learning algorithms to build the models and make the predictions and automate the decisions across the fields like business, healthcare, finance. And machine learning helps in turning raw data into actionable insights. From this diagram you have to understand, guys. Okay, this is a raw data, final data, it will going to predict okay useful content, that is also right. After that, the deep learning, guys. Deep learning is a subfield of machine learning that uses the artificial neural networks and conventional neural networks, many more libraries in machine learning that will used by the deep learning and do some actions. Okay, you can see, guys, with multiple layers it excels in handling the complex data like images, audios and text, powering applications such as face recognition, language translation and autonomous driving, guys. So you can see now the automated car will going to marketing in the market, right? So that will happen with help of the deep learning only, guys. Okay, after that you have to write this block diagram. uh, okay, the relationship of AI with machine learning. After that we have to write this block diagram. It will hold your what you call weightage of the paper, guys. Okay, okay, this is the first question answer, guys. In my coming videos definitely I will work upon it and yeah, I can do all the solutions of the model question paper. I hope you people are enjoyed with this video. Please don't forget to share, subscribe and comment, guys. Okay, thank you so much for watching videos. Bye bye.